Yeah, 100%. I think English players are notorious for kind of staying in England and not really going abroad. But I think you can see there's so many players that have gone abroad and they've thrived. You know, you see Sancho, Bellingham, myself, Tammy, Chris Smalling. There's so many players that have gone away. Really.
Fikayo Tomori, the center, the defender of the Milan Football Club, says English players are notorious, as he's just speaking about his fellow English defenders. As in fact, he used to say that most of them are notorious, and in fact, it should be quite clear here. Fikayo Tomori is just one among of the great defender of Milan Football Club, and he used to say that it's very difficult to face the English players. It's very difficult to face the English strikers due to the fact that they have been training hard, and their league is it's one among of the hardest league in the world. And here Fikayo Tomori also continues to appreciate the crucial, of course, the cruciality of the English players. He used to say that it's a very difficult and a great challenge to face the players from the English Premier League, due to the fact that most of them are using high energy. They have been using high energy. That's why it's very difficult to defend against them. And here Fikayo Tomori is just speaking so many things, and for so much more, he's just speaking about the situation of the Serie A league, as he used to say also that it's also a big deal. It's also a big deal. It's also a challengeable league, and he's just thinking like playing the Serie A is just one among of the great